again for the workshop. And first of all, I would like to request you if you can take up some of the queries if the participants can have. So if you're okay with it, can we handle the queries first or we should start the session, sir, as you say? So you're not audible.
There are some queries. I will definitely take it.
Okay,
Right.
okay. So in case the participants have any queries, they are most welcome to ask. They can unmute yourself and they can ask their queries. I think, sir, you had explained each and everything in a very good manner. So they must have practiced, and there is no query as such. So I
Thank you
think we
very
can
much.
start with the session, sir. Over to
Thank you
you.
very much, Pooja ma'am, and I pay my regard to the principal sir and all the organizer who are in front of scene and those who are in behind the scene. So let's start today's session. So just to revise what we have little bit done uh, yesterday. So I'm sharing my screen. So we have started with the my screen is visible, Pooja ma'am.
Yes, sir, we can see that.
Okay, my smart PLS screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So friends, yesterday we have talked about the mediation and some new thing like artifact, and I try to explain the different variant of the mediation with the reflective as well as with the formative constructs. I also put a little bit emphasis on the artifact. What are these artifacts and how we measures? So generally it's a quite confusing term. I can understand because in 10 15 or 10 or 15 minutes it's not easy to understand because it is a very big term, and hopefully we all should have to go through the proper literature and uh, what are these terms especially, and we discussed the mediation. Simply I would like to show something how we perform this mediation. I have my okay. So this is our simple serial mediation model. So we have run this mediation model, and we check how the mediation take place, and we apply bootstrapping. So simply we calculate indirect effect, what are the specific indirect effect and what are the total indirect effects. So we see specific indirect effect here. What are these what are the total indirect effects in the model. So then we I little bit discuss about how to measure the uh, formative constructs. If your construct is the formative, then how you will deal with this. So before going forward, I will show you a little bit more about the little bit composition of a artifact, how we can make the composition of a artifact. So in this software Denko, it's quite easy to make the artifacts, and you can uh, see there is two options we have available, like expectancy value 3. These are my things. From here I have to click emergent variable and now look at the shape, and so this way you can make the artifact and you can test the artifacts, but you should have to go through the proper uh, conceptual framework how these artifacts come in existence. मैं एक सिंपल सी एग्जांपल देना चाहता हूँ एक आर्टिफैक्ट के बारे में. सपोज टीचर का एक हमने क्राइटेरिया बना लिया, डिजाइन बना लिया, वी हैव मेड दैट डिजाइन कि वी विल evaluate teachers on the three aspects. One is the research, other is the teaching, other is their administrative activities. So we formulate this we make the design that every teacher will be evaluated on this criteria. So such criteria is a design. You can take a design. You can use this criteria in the structural conditioning modeling as an artifact, because I whatever the other dimensions of the performance of the teacher is there, but I limited this performance to only three criteria. I make the design in my college or in my university. This is the basic design which is followed. So in this way, these are some examples by which you can more work on the artifact or composites. So this is a little bit idea about the more idea about the composites. Today we will discuss about the moderation. Okay, so I will start my presentation. Okay, where is my presentation? Okay. So this we have done yesterday. What is the mediation? And I also giving faces to the different hypotheses. Okay, how we have to formulate the hypothesis H1, H2, H3, or whether we have to make this hypothesis. Then we have discussed about the types of mediation, parallel mediation, serial mediations, and how it works and how we make the models. Then I think a little bit I've discussed about the level of mediation, no mediation, partial mediation, or full mediation, whether they have to report or not. So approaches of mediation, I have given faces to this very newly two approaches, segmented approach and transmittal approach. So this is all about the mediation. Now we will start about the moderation. Just try to understand what is the moderation. So anybody have any idea what is the moderation?
Good afternoon, Sandeep sir.
Anji Kapil ma'am.
Hanji sir. Moderation is about the categorical variable. That if we want to study that how the categorical variable is, having the impact due to being it in male or female or any kind of category, then it is called as the moderation effect. It can be in two variable or more than two also.
Okay. Anybody else?
So moderate variable tells us the difference in the magnitude of the relationships between two groups. It can be categorical or it can be even an interaction effect. So either a categorical variable or a metric variable, but it tells us the magnitude that varies between different groups for the same relationship.
Absolutely right. Absolutely. So now try to understand how a variable create a condition on the relationship between two variables. I'm saying how a variable create a condition on the relationship between two variables. So we have supposed these two variables, exercise and weight loss. Okay. Now I'm saying how a variable, it means how a variable put condition on this relationship. I'm not explaining what is the moderator, just to understand how a variable put condition on this relationship. So suppose exercise has the relationship with the weight loss. Okay, so we have to check how a variable put condition on this relationship. Okay, how a variable can put the condition. Suppose we include the diet with the exercise. Now it is our independent variable and our objective is just weight loss. So diet has also relationship between the uh, weight loss, and diet has also relationship. Diet has also effect on the weight loss. But try to understand how the diet put condition on this relationship. What is this condition? Condition is that if the person with the exercise controlling the diet, then it is the good chances of the weight loss, and the weight loss must be on a higher level, or you will lose the weight quickly. If diet control is our low, then you can say that how exercise and weight loss relationship might be weak because there are some other factor which is also putting magnitude on the relationship. So just try to understand how the variable put conditions on our relationship. So when a variable put condition means with the existence of that particular variable, this relationship with the magnitude, with the degree of the existence of that particular variable, when this relationship is changed, then we can say that it is the case of moderation. In simple words, if I plot diet here, diet means if I say my with the low diet, what is this relationship? With the high diet control, what is this relationship? If in the empirical analysis we will got the results with the putting the condition on this variable with the controlling the diet, this relationship will be a different. Without controlling the diet, this relationship will be the different. So this is the case of the moderation. So moderation means this relationship should be different for a variables level. If I am saying with the high diet control, this relationship will be different. With the low diet control, this relationship will be different. So how we study this moderated? If both of the variable are our metric variables, then we try to make the interaction of this. Okay, what I have done, I have made interaction of this exercise multiplied by diet. So in this way, when if our interaction is significant, then you can say that okay, moderation exists in your model. So it means diet is a moderator which are influencing our relationship. So any comment till I have explained? Hope I think it is a clear idea what is the moderation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's understand moderation analysis in SmartPLS. When the goal is to uncover boundary condition for an association between two variables, then the moderation analysis is used. So when we put the conditions, we put the boundaries. In this boundaries, this relationship work in this manner, and in this boundary, this relationship works in this manner. Then we can say that it is the case of the moderation. You can also explain an association between two variables x and y is said to be moderated when it is size and sign depends on the third variable. So look at the example. If we have the x and y two variable, but it is size and sign depends on the moderator. It means moderator variable putting a condition on a relationship. कि अगर मैं ऐसा हूँगा ना तो आपका रिलेशनशिप ऐसा चलेगा, तो अगर मैं ऐसा हूँगा तो मेरा आपका रिलेशनशिप ऐसा चलेगा. So it means this variable putting a condition. What type of condition? When it is size and sign depends on the third variable. Okay. So under what condition for a whom when pre-established statistical relationship is the evident? Okay, when our relationship is evident, under what conditions? When we find out the condition means when we find out the levels of a moderator, then it is, you can say that the relationship is evident. Okay, so this is the you can say the simple meaning of the moderation. And in order to understand the moderation, we should have to understand two things: categorical variable or continuous variable. Broadly, we divide the variable into two categories: non-metric variable and the metric variable. Age as a categorical variables, we can how calculate the age? Like suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. We in the visual binding, when we go to the SPSS, we use the visual binding, we make the intervals. When we have the age and we can convert age into categorical variable. Generally, how we measure the age? Like 1, 2, 5, 10. Now it is a continuous variable. On the other side, when gender is a categorical variable, when gender has the category, suppose male, female, other. So simply in order to understand the moderation, we should have to understand the categorical variable or and continuous variable, or you can say broadly you should have to understand the non-metric variable and the metric variable. So you should understand what is this non-metric variable and what is this metric variable. Okay, so next, when we are plotting a categorical variable to check the condition on the relationship, then you can say that it is the moderation with the categorical variable. as Robin ma'am has explained, okay, for the male and female, when we plot the relationship and we find the significance difference, we put the condition. If there will be the male, the relationship will be this. If there are a female, the relationship will be the this. So it means when when you put the condition with the categorical variable. So in this way, you check the moderation, male and female. For the male, you will run the different model. For the female, you will run the different model. Moderation with the continuous or metric variable. So it's quite simple. When I have used the example of the exercise and weight loss. So when our variable is the continuous or the metric level, then you can say that we multiply these two score of this variable and then make an interaction terms. Okay, if our interaction terms is significant, then you can say that okay, there is a moderation of a variable. So similarly, what we are doing we are same thing. If we compare, now this is the different way when your variable is the categorical. This is the different way when your variable is the continuous. Okay, so we are doing the same thing. Okay, so
Sir, one doubt.
yes.
Sir, in the continuous moderation, both the moderating variables should be continuous, then only interaction effect can be put.
Yes, obviously, this is the way, ma'am. If both are the metric, then you can combine it. If one is non-metric, then it's not possible to make a interaction of them. Interaction mean basically when you combine, when to multiply the score of two variables. Suppose we have this variable latent 2 and latent variable 4. We want to we have the hypothesis latent variable 4 is our moderator. So what we have to do, we have to make interaction terms of these two, and we have to plot it, and then we have to see whether this relationship is significant or not. Hope
Okay.
ma'am it is clear.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, yes.
Thank you ma'am. So sometime we are confused with the mediation and moderation are the same thing, but these are the not same thing. So
Sir, I have one more doubt. If I have suppose 2 or 3 moderators, one is categorical and another is continuous, can we run the model? Can we check the moderation effect even then? Or we have
first of all, you have to develop your whole model. It might be possible that you have to check the model into the different segments, because you have the categorical moderator as well as you have the continuous moderator. So continuous moderator are easily run in this smart PLS. So but there are some other very fine software which are very good which are very good to work on the moderators like VAR PLS. So you can plot number of the moderator there. And continuous and the one of the main feature of such software is also that you can plot the moderator, mediator, and you can also plot the categorical moderator on this software. So for the higher level moderation, your question is a little bit about the higher level moderation. You can also plot the higher level moderator there, but in a smart PLS there is a little limitation of that, whether you are plotting gender as a moderator or not, I think.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hanji. So mediation is not equal to the moderation, because the moderation is about the contextualization of the effect and mediation is about the reason of the effect. Okay. So कई बार ये क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि क्या मॉडरेटर मीडिएटर हो सकता है. So मतलब बड़ा डिस्कशन होता है सर्च गेट के ऊपर भी. Anybody can give the idea, can a moderator can be a mediator?
Sir, I guess पहले I'm not very sure, but I guess पहले उसको mediation की तरह run करके then एक नया segment बना के उसका moderation test कर सकते हैं.
But statistically it's not possible, but in the longitudinal study it's possible. अगर आप 10-20 साल के बाद उसी variable को check, that can be act as a moderator also when you're mediator. But generally and simply you will get the answer no. Most there is quite debate is going on this topic, but in my opinion moderator cannot be act on as a mediator.
Okay.
Sandeep sir, I have one question. So normally we do the smart PLS for the purpose of the primary data. So how far it is different for the secondary data? If we take the longitudinal study and for the data is for number of years, then how the model will be different? I mean, what kind of checks would be there? Can you give any example?
This is just a smart PLS for the secondary data, honestly. Because it's a good software for the primary data, but the developer are also emphasizes these things. Okay, it's you can work the secondary data on it. Okay, but generally we have to do, we have the metric variable. Suppose we have the sales and performance secondary data we have now. Simply what we have to do, we generally take the one item as a construct and simply run it. So try to understand one thing, ma'am. What I want to explain in the structural locationing modeling, we are involved two parts of the model. One is the outer model and other is the inner model. Okay. So when we have only one statement here, you are coming through by a secondary data, whatever. Okay. So it's also possible you can run your model, but the criteria can be different. I suggest eView, like this software, is the good software if you are running the multiple regression or testing the moderation. But I'm not claiming that smart PLS is not. There are also some paper on secondary data you can test. But in my suggestion, because secondary data is the different, pool of the pool of learning or pool of the techniques are available in the secondary data. So then we have to apply those technique in the good manner. Why we are just confusing this thing? Because it is basically for the structural questioning modeling, but you can use it. I'm not restricting that. I'm not saying that. There is also one paper I have studied. But generally, when things are not, I think, can be conducted on the eViews or such as software, then you should have to check. Otherwise, if you're that is also invention. If you're putting your secondary data into the modeling, that is also an invention. But try to understand these things, whether it's the composites factors, how you will use the secondary data as a indicators. So there are the so many questions which you can handle, which you have to take. Okay, that's why I'm saying that. Otherwise, कुछ भी possible है भाई, कुछ भी करो, आपका software है. So anybody can do anything, है ना?
I was just confirming, sir, that whether we can
One
run
thing
it.
I also point out, we are just only focusing on this relationship, only the measurement models, but we are not thinking about this inner model. We generally assume that it is a linear and just run the model. पर कभी भी हमने सोचा है कि क्यों हम ये assumption लेके चलते हैं कि why it's the linear? It can be non-linear. यहाँ पे कोई लिटरेचर भी नहीं बोलता, कुछ भी मॉडल है, 100 मॉडल से अगर किसी ने 95 मॉडल रन किए तो लीनियर ही रन कर देते हैं. तो हाउ इज इट फेयर कि व्हाई वी आर रन लीनियर मॉडल्स? Pooja ma'am, would you like to comment on this?
Sir, exactly, you are right. I think thought provoking है बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब जितने भी पेपर्स वी सी, वी ऑलवेज सी दैट इट इज लीनियर. मतलब कहीं कुछ मेंशन ही नहीं होता, और हम भी जो काम करते हैं मॉडल्स पे लीनियर मान के ही चल जाते हैं. So I think it's a really a thought provoking the point you have raised, sir.
So that's why I'm saying that a lot of development is going on with this software. So because our purpose is to find the best fit. So if we are working on, try to understand what I want to say. If we are working with the non-normal data, okay, it means the data has so many outliers. So how at that time linear relationship, linear coefficients gives you the best fit? Then there is a possibility, na, there should be the your error terms will be increase. So there is a reason. अगर मैं सीधी सीधी बात करूं तो एरर टर्म्स बढ़ जाएंगी ना बहुत ज्यादा हमारी, क्योंकि हम तो उसमें नॉन नॉर्मल डाटा पे काम करते हैं. फिर व्हाई वी आर अप्लाइंग दिस लीनियर रिलेशनशिप्स? Whether we have any other alternative in such a situation?
सर एक पेपर आई हैड सीन, उसमें उन्होंने, आई कुड नॉट ग्रास्प दैट प्रॉपरली, क्वाड्रेटिक इफेक्ट सेम लगा के क्वाड्रेटिक इफेक्ट लगाया था उन्होंने. but I have yet to read more on that. I could not understand that.
Actually, there is when we are discussing about non-linearity, then there is a different school of thoughts, you can say. नॉन-लिनियरिटी अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा मतलब उसका स्कोप है कि आपकी कर्व यू शेप है, जेड शेप, सॉरी एस शेप है या कुछ भी है. सो बेसिकली देयर इज ए वन ऑप्शन वी आर यूजिंग इन सॉफ्टवेयर वार्प. So in the warp, you not assume your relationship is the linear. What we have do, we do find out the best fit from the data. Whatever data, whatever is going on in the data, and try to find the best fit from the data. And you will surprised to see that there is a significant difference of R square when we are working with the non-linear and linear.
Okay.
So that is also a thing which I put in front of you. Please think about it. So
सर वाफ PLS भी क्रैक अवेलेबल नहीं है उसका भी ऐसे ही?
it is free for 3 months. You can use it. Agar if you want to work on the higher order models in which there are so many moderator and mediators, then I think warp is the best than smart PLS. If you're working so many mediator and moderator, so for that purpose I think that's the best software. Okay. So I will take a break of 1 minute. I have to take water. Just I have a little. My throat is not good now. I will take a break of just of 1 minute. Sorry for inconvenience. So let's start about the moderation. So friends, let's do here. So we have smart PLS. So first of all, do you all have the file of demo file? I think.
Yes, sir.
So you will plot the moderator here. Okay, I will do the first of all I will do how we conduct the moderation with the continuous variable. Suppose this is my model and delete this relationship. So suppose this is my dependent variable. Here we have to click and add the moderator. So what moderator you want to click? Suppose moderator you want to click trust on what? On social commerce. Okay, so this is my first moderator. Okay, it is very simple. Though then we have to calculate it. And we have to check the everything, each and everything of the model, whether reliability, validity, and plus we have to check the effect of this interaction with social commerce construct and trust. And how we can check it? Calculate bootstrapping. And you can also check whether our moderation is significant or not. Our moderation is not significant. Let's do some more example. So suppose I would like to create another moderator on my moderator is social sport on the trust. Okay, there are two options are available. product indicator and two stage. Basically, we use the two stage. Product indicator means it multiplies your all indicator. Let's see what is these things also. Okay, so let's run bootstrapping. So this is the simply interaction effect by which you can use the moderation. You can check the interaction whether this variable is moderated or not. एक और क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में आ रहा है कि जब मैंने बहुत when I have planned lot of moderator, so there is a possibility there should be an increase of VIF, variance inflation factor. Is anybody? I have planned 2, I planned also 3 or 4, but when I, sometimes it has happened when you are plotting more and more moderator, then there is a problem that your VIF might be increase or decrease. So in what situation, what we have to do? Anybody have any idea? Anybody? Anybody have any idea about this thing? So it is sometime happened that when we are plotting more moderators in a model, so there is a problem that VIF can be increased or can be increased. So in such a situation, we in the literature word you say it is the problem of Simpson's paradox. What it calls Simpson's paradox. So how we solve that problem? So there should be another analysis that is called full latent growth model. Full latent growth model by which you can test any variable as a moderator without plotting a moderator. So this is the simple moderation. You can check or what problem can occur during the moderation. I have explained to you. If you're plotting more and more moderator, then the problem can occur that there can be your VIF can be increased. So that problem is called Simpson's paradox, and in order to cover that problem, we done other analysis that is called full latent growth model. So that is not available in this software. So generally we have to work with this condition, with this fact that whatever the result will come, we will see. Okay, so this is the simple moderation effect you can check with the interaction term. So anybody has query till here?
So can you explain again this full latent growth model? I mean, how to reduce the VIF with the help of this? Is it available in WAP?
Yes, that is available in the WAP, and some other R software packages are also.
Okay,
So
okay.
whenever you're plotting, जैसे अभी तो हमने 2 ही प्लॉट किए हैं, सिचुएशन आ सकती है कि हम इसके ऊपर इसको प्लॉट करें, इसके ऊपर इसको प्लॉट करें. सो वी हैव टू प्लॉट नंबर ऑफ द मॉडरेटर, राइट? सो ऐसी सिचुएशन भी आ सकती है कि इसके ऊपर भी प्लॉट करो. हमारे कोई मीडिएशन का मॉडल है, उसके ऊपर भी हमने 3-4 प्लॉट कर दिए. तो ये सिचुएशन आ जाती है कि आपका जो VIF है ना वो बढ़ जाता है.
मल्टीकुलरिटी भी लगता है ना?
हाँ, मल्टीकुलरिटी अकर आती है. तो फिर उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए एक हमारे पास एनालिसिस होता है फुल लेटेंट ग्रोथ मॉडल.
ओके.
तो उसमें विदाउट मॉडरेटर प्लॉट किए आप रिजल्ट ले लेते हो मॉडरेटर का. उसमें आपने प्लॉट नहीं करना है ऐसे मॉडरेटर, आपने सिंपली एरो देना है कि ये मॉडरेटर है. वो आपको पर्सनली रिजल्ट बता देगा कि ये मॉडरेटर है कि नहीं. इट मीन्स वो VIF का चक्कर मॉडल में वो जाएगा ही नहीं, वो सेपरेटली इसको कैलकुलेट करके दे देगा.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. This is about our interaction effect, and now we will if you want to do the practice with that file, you can do, but I have to do one thing more with the categorical variable. No, I'm not. So suppose we have this file, demo file we have, and so you can check the relationship between two variables, quality1, quality2. And here is the behavior intention. So suppose these are our two variables and we want to check whether gender is a moderator here or not. So what we have to do, for the purpose of that is our BI, behavior intentions. Okay, we have to, what we have to do for that purpose, we have to do a multi-group analysis, because in the presentation I have shown, I have to check this relationship for the categorical variable. How will have to do? We have to click on data. When we click on the data, we have to generate a data groups. Groups mean you have to simply click here, click on gender. Gender has two unique value and it automatically creates the groups, and then you can edit here. Your first, you can say it's the male. Okay, and your second, you can use this is the females. And okay, we have created two groups, and now we have to run the multi-group analysis here. We have two options, male and female. Click here female, click here male, and we have to run this analysis. So in this analysis, you have to check the results of multi-group analysis and PLS-MG, because it's a non-parametric technique. Okay, so this is our results are showing that there is no significant difference between male and female with respect to that relationship. But this is not I have done total. Before applying multi-group analysis, you should have to check this invariance between these. We should have to check the invariance between this. Now anybody can tell me what is invariance testing? Because the multi-group analysis has always an assumption, you should have to check the invariance between the constructs, whether they are equal or not. So anybody can give me any idea what is this invariance?
Sir, we calculate the variance between the group categories, data of group categories. Like either they are same, the data between of the both groups are same or not, like this.
Ashish, thank you very much for the good guess. Generally, first of all, I will calculate, then I explain what is this invariance. Okay, so simply you should have to check how we can test the invariance. So let's start how we check the invariance. Then we have to go to the calculate. There is a one option, permutation. And permutation, you have to click the two group. And you should have to take the value of 5,000 here, permutation. Okay, then you should have to click this model. So these are our results of our invariance testing, but we will later discuss it. Now we have to understand what is this invariance. Okay, suppose in the moderation, Ashish sir and Robin ma'am, are you here? Please, I need your little help.
Hanji sir, Hanji, we are here.
So Robin ma'am, kindly
Yes.
can we study the first item of the scale?
Yes, sir. I'm not getting. First item of scale.
Yes.
Very. Hanji.
My window is visible to all of you.
Hanji, Hanji sir, visible.
Yes.
हाँ जी पहले रॉबिन मैम पढ़ेगी मैडम काइंडली
Okay. When I the first option is when I put in the hours, I am successful. So the scale is being given from very seldom to very often.
okay. So hope you understand what is asked to you in this scale.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
leave this item. Now read the second item.
It's uninteresting work. Work defeats me.
Ashish sir, now please read this item.
Which sir?
Second one.
Uninterested work defeats me.
So I think you have understand the statements, both of
Yes.
you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now just assume that Ashish is from the Himachal Pradesh, ma'am is from the Punjab. But they have equal good understanding of the items which is asking to them. Okay. Hope what I want to say you hope it is clear. I just want to say that when I give the questions to the two different persons which are belong from the different
Categories.
groups
Backgrounds.
categories, they equally understand the concept in a equal manner, in a same manner. Hopefully, the uninteresting word defeats me. The meaning of this can be different to the Shisar, or uninteresting word defeats me. The meaning of this can be the different to the Robin man. But if they are assuming, they are perceiving the same is the thing is asked to me, and same I will respond it. Then you can say that if this questionnaire is equivalent to both of male and female.
Okay,
On
so
the
basically in this we will examine the interpretation of the questionnaire by all the respondents.
yes, you can say that if you are your equivalence on the measurement level, you are equivalence. Basically, यहाँ से ही आपकी डिसाइड होती है वैलिडिटी डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी।
Okay,
ये जो
okay.
आइटम्स होती हैं वहां पे तो सिर्फ आपको स्कोर मिलता है। इफ आई एम व्हेन आई पुट इन माय आवर्स आई एम सक्सेसफुल, ये एक और डिमेंशन है। अनइंटरेस्टिंग वर्क फीड्स में दिस इज ऑल डिमेंशन। आई गेट इनटू द जॉब बिकॉज आई विल interested by the some temporary light items. So these three items are different dimensions. So when you read and you on the questionnaire, when you think that okay, this is a different item, this is a different item, automatically your discriminant validity score will be okay. If you are filling the questionnaire by saying that okay, this item is the same this item, then you will not then you will get the problem in discriminant validity. So hope I have cleared what I want to say that. So in my opinion,
Can you please repeat? I'm not understanding.
तो मैं व्हेन आई सिंपली हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी में क्या निकालते हैं अपना HTMT रेशियो जो फॉर्नर लेकर क्राइटेरिया निकालते हैं ना, ये जी डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी कैसे एस्टेब्लिश होती है। तो उसके लिए हमारे पास व्हाट आर अवेलेबल अल्टरनेटिव वी हैव अल्टरनेटिव। हम उसके HTMT रेशियो चेक कर लेते हैं, या उसकी हम क्या उस फॉर्नर लेकर जो क्रॉस लोडिंग चेक कर सकते हैं। पर वो स्कोर आता कहाँ से आपको? इसी क्वेश्चनर में भरा होता है ना। जब आप क्वेश्चनर भरवाते हो तो यहाँ से ही अगर रिस्पोंडेंट ने उसको रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा किया है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका वहां पे स्कोर सही आएगा। इसका मतलब ये है कि व्हेन, मतलब अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी की बात करें कि अगर ये बंदे ने सोचा है कि व्हेन आई पुट इन द आवर्स आई एम सक्सेसफुल, ये किसी और चीज के बारे में पूछ रहा है, अनइंटरेस्टिंग वर्क डिफीट्स मी किसी और चीज के बारे में पूछ रहा है, तो इसका मतलब अगर उस बंदे ने अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया रिस्पोंडेंट ने कि ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीजें पूछ रहा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका रिजल्ट सही आ जाएगा, वहां पे डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैलिडिटी एस्टैब्लिश हो जाएगी।
Got it. So it means you want to say that here we are measuring from the respondent's point of view, right?
Yes.
How he is perceiving the information.
Yes. If they are perceiving in same manner, and that is equivalent with all of the respondents, every respondent has the understanding that this question is different, this question is different, and this question is different. So different means discriminant validity. If respondent assume that this question is the same as this is asked, so both are the same questions, it means they are assuming that these both are coming from the same factor. Okay, so that will, then your discriminant validity will be disturbed. On the other side, take a note, when I'm saying that both of the respondent, whether it is the male or female, they equally understand the whole of the scale or the dimensions, then you can say that there is no invariance between them. I'm now saying the understanding of the scale. Okay, if they equally understand the concept into the same manner, then you can say that they are not invariant, or you can say that they equally understand the scale, and when they equally understand the scale, you can further work on the structural model, because when I'm discussing about the equal understanding of the scale, I'm saying that the measurement model. So on the measurement model, there should be no invariant, there should be no equality in the understanding of the concepts of this scale or any dimension which you are asking in form of the scale. Okay, so this is called invariance when both of the respondent, whether male or female, whether from the Himachal Pradesh, whether from the Jammu, whether from the India or outside the India, your respondent's invariance is not established. It means your respondent's invariance has established, your equivalence has been established, then you can say that my scale has the capability to work in the other countries. Equally, जो चीजें आप लोग इंडिया में अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हैं, सेम थिंग्स पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड द इंडिया. Okay, so this is called invariance testing. Both invariance is a little bit confusing terms. You can say that both the respondent from Jammu or from Punjab, they have equally understand this questionnaire in the same manner as the person respondent from the Jammu and as the respondent from the Punjab, they have understood. So in the same manner, you can say that they have the same understanding on the questionnaire. Questionnaire means on the measurement level. So this is called invariance. If still any question, then ask me, please.
Sir, kindly run this permutation command again.
Okay. I think this is clear what I want to explain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Can I add one thing here more? Because I'm just going to close this scale. This is a great source when you are testing invariance. You know, this is a great source of publication because paper on invariance are very few. Generally, we run the invariance on covariance-based SEM, and that is a very popular technique in the covariance-based SEM. But this is also available for us in the Smart PLS. So that's why I'm little bit giving emphasis. If you want to develop any scale, then understand this technique, invariance testing. Okay, so.
Sir, and invariance testing is done only in moderation, no?
Not exactly. Whenever you are testing any scale, suppose आपने कोई scale develop किया है ना, तो आप ये भी check करोगे ना कि वो हिमाचल में अच्छा काम कर रहा है, पंजाब में अच्छा काम, क्रॉस कल्चर स्टडी नहीं बोलते आप इसको?
Sir, do you have any article on this from where we can quote it for the future invariance? Because we are studying it for the first time. अगर है तो sir, please share.
Okay, I will definitely share with you. Basically, invariance जो testing होती है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा इसका यूज होता है स्केल डेवलपमेंट में होता है. इसीलिए तो मैं आपको स्केल दिखा रहा हूँ. I am giving the emphasis on the scale. अगर मैंने यही स्केल मान लीजिए डेवलप किया है, इफ आई डेवलप दिस स्केल, देन माय इंटेंशन टू चेक दैट कि वेदर दिस स्केल विल वर्क इन अ इक्वल मैनर इन एनी अदर कंट्री और इन एनी अदर स्टेट. Okay, so what I have to check, we have to check the invariance कि whether people are understanding the concept in the same manner as I drafted the concept for the Indian as well as to the states. So you have to check at each level of invariance. You should have to compare the scale with your on the basis of male and female. You should have to compare the scale on the basis of the states. You should have to compare the scales on the basis of the age and different aspects. If total invariance, if you will establish the so many invariance, there is a no difference. अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि ये different age group के लिए ये scale अलग से काम करता है, अगर मैं 60 साल के बंदे को पूछूंगा अनइंटरेस्टिंग वर्क डिफीट मी, तो उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कुछ बदल जाएगी ना कि कौन सा भी अनइंटरेस्टिंग वर्क मेरे लिए क्या है. So it means you check complete invariance, but generally especially we give focus to the two type, especially we give the emphasis to the invariance which is cross cultured. Okay, so if you are checking cross cultured invariance, then you can claim that your scale is working in a good manner in the different state. Hope I have cleared and my point of view has cleared to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm closing this. So we are here. So I again run the permutation. How we have to run? We have to go to the calculate command and we have to go to the permutation. And here you have to check. There is a 1000 permutations are here. 1000. Okay. So what you have to check? We generally I'm working on 1000 permutation, but when you are doing the analysis, you must have worked on 5000 permutations. Okay. So what permutation done? Let's see. Okay, this is the results of permutation. Okay, and what we have to check? We have to check this MICOM, measurement invariance of composites. Okay, so when we click it, you will get step 2 and step 3. So where is step 1? वो भी बताता हूँ मैं आपको. स्टेप 1 का मतलब होता है कि मेल फीमेल के लिए ये मॉडल हमने जैसा वहां पे डिजाइन किया वैसा उसी के लिए. तो इट मींस मॉडल तो हम our model is same for the female and male. If we click on model, so the model is same, this quality, these items are same, the structure is the same. This is our step 1. Step 2 you should have to check. अब हम स्टेप आपको दूसरे स्टेप में यू हैव टू चेक this original correlation and 5% correlation. This 5% correlation should be less than from this original correlation. So it means when if it is confusing, when these are the green, then you say that okay, there is a compositional invariance has been established. So what is this compositional invariance? Compositional invariance mean when we click on outer loading, so it means your outer loading यहाँ तो भी कंफ्यूजन आ गई भाई, हो नहीं रहा हमारा, बिकॉज मेल फीमेल के लिए इस मॉडल के लिए ये इनवेरियंस एस्टेब्लिश नहीं हो रहा. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? तो यहाँ पे ये हमारा रिफ्लेक्टिव है, तो हम ये सारी आइटम डिलीट कर सकते हैं, बिहेवियर इंटेंशन 1 2 या जितनी भी आइटम डिलीट कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे एक सेकंड थाउट आता है कि नो, सो यहाँ पे तो इनवेरियंस एस्टेब्लिश हो रहा है. सॉरी, वी हैव टू चेक द रेड वैल्यू हियर. We have to don't think to green value. Red value should be high. There should be no significant difference. There should be no significant difference between the factor loadings. So there is a no significant difference. 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 But these are the few cases. There are the significant difference between male and the female. So behavior. So behavior intentions has understood differently between male and female. Okay, so you can check here, that is called compositional invariance, and go to the MyCom and click step 2. Step 2 means when all these things are green, it means your step is clear. Your step 2 is clear. Okay, so it means first step is you check whether your model is equivalent. So that is called configural invariance. Second step is we have to check whether step 2, whether there is 5% difference between this original correlation lies, and for the permutations green value are evident that your permutation your invariance has been established. So our original correlation higher than this. Next we have step 3. Step 3, that all the value should be here green, whether there is a invariance has been established on the basis of the mean or variance. So this red value says that invariance has not been established on step 3. Or what are these step 2 and step 3? ये समझते हैं, थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल है मॉडरेशन में एक कौन सा पेपर है. Okay, this is the paper testing measurement invariance of composites using a partial least square. तो ये पेपर में I will share with all of you. तो इसने भी देखिए यहाँ पे बात किया है कॉमन फैक्टर मॉडल, कंपोजिट मॉडल एंड कॉजल इंडिकेटर मॉडल. ऑन द नीड ऑफ द प्रोसीजर मेजरमेंट इनवेरियंस असेसमेंट कंपोजिट मॉडल. सो कैसे करते हैं, तो इसमें एक ये 3 स्टेप प्रोसेस है. सबसे पहले स्टेप है, वहां पे हमने 2 और 3 वी विल गॉट द स्टेप नंबर 2 एंड 3 देयर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे step 1 क्या है, configural invariance. Configural invariance mean no measurement invariance. The composite does not exist in all the group. It means your models are same for the both of group. Okay, second point is your factor loading is equal between the both of the group. Okay, अगर आपके first और second step you will get the first and second step, then you can say that in your model partial invariance has been established. Partial invariance has been established. So as per the theory of moderation, if your model has completed these 2 steps, step number 1 and step number 2, then this is the assumption to run a categorical moderator. This is the assumption to run a categorical moderator. Whenever step 1 and step 2 is clear, then you can check also step number 3. Okay, generally there should be a full invariance. Full invariance mean in the both of the way the respondent has understand this thing in a same manner. If you are not understanding this word invariance, try to understand the word equivalence. Okay, the model is equivalence for the measurement level. The model is equal for the male and model is equal for the female. So on this paper based, they have make the, this is the how we test the hypothesis of on the step 3. So this is the on this paper, on the basis of this paper, we check invariance in the smart PLS. So these are our results. Okay, so we claim that in our model partial invariance has been established. Partial invariance has been established. Step 3 we have not completed because we find the mean and variance intercept should be green here. Otherwise you can say that okay, this is quite confusing. So step 2 our is complete. So that this step 2 give us the license that you can further move and you can test the multi-group analysis. So now again I'm running the permutation. Okay, so 1000 permutation. Okay, this is the results of permutation, and I have to run the results of MGA, multi-group analysis, female and male, and then start running. So now we have the both of results. What type of result and how we code the results, that is the main issue. So our two tests, if we click on permutation is also non-parametric test. They can also give results to the of the significance difference of the between the path. So this is the permutation results, this is the MGS results. Both results are supporting that there is no effect of the gender. It means gender is not working as a moderator in our model. Okay, how we have to code the results, that is also a question. This is one of the best paper I have seen, how to code the results of factor influencing resident perception toward tourism development, difference across rural urban heritage sites. The Professor Sool Manish ka paper hai. One of the world renowned trainer on smart PLS and VAR PLS, the person Sool Manish. So they wonderfully draft this table. I would like to see how the cite the results of moderation. This is how hypothesis of the moderation model you have to made. The tables are behind this. This is pre-print version. I have not the full version of this paper. So this is two model they have compared, one model with two model. Okay, so what is the important table here? This is the loading for the different. You can from smart PLS you can get the loading for the different model. And most importantly, this is a discriminant validity for the different model, Fortner Laker criteria for different model. And this is the main table. If you are able to put such type of the table in your analysis, you will definitely get a very competitive edge. Integral invariance has been established. Yes, compositional invariance correlation value you should give the confidence interval. Partial invariance has been established. Equality of mean, confidence, equality of variance assessment of difference. So full invariance has been established. No. So from you have to create such type of the table on for the invariance. You know what? How we can put the value? This you will get the value from here. Suppose you want to check the outer loading and permutation results. So you can outer loading for compare outer loading for male, outer loading for female. So from permutation you can take this loading, different loading for female and male. Okay, so you have to report the result of MGA multi-group analysis also, and you should have to give the results of in the multi-group analysis. You will also get this confidence interval from clicking here. So you can also put this while you're creating such table. Okay, so further in the permutation, what you can also suggested the give the value of permutations significance. If you click on the table, then you can say that the permutations value and multi-group value both are supporting that there is no significant difference. So this is the simple procedure how we test the moderator.
Sir, MyCom values भी report करनी है या नहीं?
Yes, exactly. If your moderator is categorical.
Okay.
Otherwise वो आपकी assumption ही ना meet हुई. Try to understand the चीज कि अगर आप रूट लेवल पे ही इनमें इक्वलेंस नहीं है तो हायर लेवल पे तो आएगी नहीं। यहाँ पे सब मान के चलो, हम मॉडरेटर रिलेशनशिप की बात कर रहे हैं कि इन दोनों के मॉडरेटर विल वर्क ऑन दिस रिलेशनशिप। हम ये बात नहीं कर रहे कि मॉडरेटर विल वर्क ऑन द लोडिंग्स। सो योर मेजरमेंट लोडिंग शुड बी इनवेरिएंट बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ द ग्रुप्स।
सर एक स्टेप 3 में मैं थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं हूँ, वो रिपीट कर देंगे?
So ma'am, actually there are the 6 steps in the covariance based SEM, but in smart PLS or in the composite based software there are the 3 steps basically. So first let again run the permutation. So आपने यहाँ से देखना है नीचे स्टेप 3 पे। स्टेप 2 तो आपको पता है। स्टेप 3 क्या है कि दोनों ग्रुप्स का जो मीन आ रहा है, मीन स्कोर आ रहा है, क्या वो सिग्निफिकेंटली डिफरेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं है। ओके, मीन ओरिजिनल डिफरेंस दोनों का निकाल के वो चेक कर देते हैं कि ये डिफरेंस आ रही है। और दूसरा चेक करते हैं वेरिएंस, थर्ड स्टेप में जो ग्रुप में जो वेरिएंस है फैक्टर लोडिंग का, जब कोई भी वेरिएंस इसमें वर्क कर रहा है, क्या वो सिग्निफिकेंटली डिफरेंट है दोनों ग्रुप्स के लिए। तो मीन एंड वेरिएंस, ये मीन का रिजल्ट है, ये वेरिएंस का रिजल्ट है। अगर ये भी एस्टेब्लिश हो जाता है कि मीन इंटरसेप्ट्स और वेरिएंस आर द इक्वल इन द बोथ ऑफ ग्रुप, देन यू कैन से दैट there is a full invariance. So for further reading I suggest you the book of Barbara. You will understand the concept of invariance in a with the full-fledged knowledge. And I think there is also this book I have, advanced level on partial least square. So in this they are in the details you have explained the concept of this measurement invariance. Further I will also share the paper with you, you can also understand. If still you have any doubt, then I can take. Otherwise simply step 2 is compositional invariance, whether loadings are different or not. Step 3 is basically whether to check if the way which are the means are working under the scale, or with the variance which are working under the scale, whether they are the different or whether they are the same. So these is the step 3. Hope ma'am I have cleared to you.
Yes sir, yes sir, okay.
Thank you very much.
Sir, in step 2 you're saying that permutation value है ना, that should be more than 0.5, मतलब red होनी चाहिए वो permutation की value, then we say that the covariance has been established. Sir, एक बार ये mean difference का बताएंगे, ये जो mean difference की value आ रही थी, how to interpret this, जो mean values को आपने अभी बताया।
फिर डिलीट कर दिया, कोई नहीं, रन कर लेते हैं permutation. रॉबा मैम, अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं कि देयर इज ए नो सिग्निफिकेंस मीन डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू ग्रुप्स, तो मेरी पी वैल्यू क्या आनी चाहिए?
सो लेस देन 0.5.
सो अब मैं यही चीजें हर एक एंगल से पूछ रहा हूँ कि जी पहले पूछा है कि मैंने कि आपकी लोडिंग्स आर सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंट इक्विवेलेंट, उसका तो यहाँ पे सेटल डाउन हो गया। अब मैंने यही चीज पूछी,
ओके,
क्या मीन इज सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंट बिटवीन, क्या वेरिएंस इज सिग्निफिकेंटली डिफरेंट? ओके ओके, सो दिस इज द मेन थिंग,
राइट, गॉट इट.
Still you have doubt, then I can explain further. Otherwise, if you have understood, then I will move forward.
Got it, sir.
Okay, so this is the simple procedure. So this is not an easy task, if you are saying that you know to plot the moderation. So moderation plot करना is a very good topic in your research. अगर थ्योरेटिकली आप सिंपली ऐसा भी मॉडरेटर प्लॉट कर सकते हो, तो जनरली ये नहीं है कि ये कोई बेस लेवल है। अगर आप एक ऐसा मॉडरेटर प्लॉट कर सकते हो जो किसी ने पहले नहीं किया, तो दिस विल गिव यू द ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ योर पब्लिकेशन. So moderation, that's why, because you are testing, if you give emphasis to the techniques, then you can say that you are giving emphasis to the measurement model also. You are going through the invariance testing also. Okay, so hope moderation is clear. Should we move forward? Okay, so So अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें, और इसमें एक वेरिएशन आपको बता देता हूँ. यू कैन आल्सो कंपेयर द मीडिएशन हियर. सपोज let's go to the indicators. Suppose अभी हम क्वालिटी के बाद we will take this satisfaction. Get it here and we plot the this here as a mediator. Oh sorry, satisfaction. Okay, so this is my mediator. One thing you have to run, calculate PLS algorithm. First of all, there should be a path. So then we have to run the bootstrapping. Then click here. So this is the results of my bootstrapping. Okay, so what I have to do when so simple, this is my simple mediation model. This is the you can hear this is the t value and other things. This is saying that how you can compare this. You go to the calculate and multi-group analysis and click female and male. Okay, but you have to test the invariance for these three variables first of all. Hope it is clear to you, all of you. You should have to click the invariance between female and male for these three construct. Then you run here. So when you go to the multi-group analysis, so what you have to check, quality leads to behavior intentions, so no relationship. Quality leads to satisfaction, no significant difference between male and female. अभी मैं path की बात कर रहा हूँ कि path are not significantly different. Satisfaction has behavior intention, no significant different. But here what you should have to check the specific indirect effect. Specific indirect effect means कि जो भी मेरा indirect effect है क्या वो male female के लिए significant है कि नहीं है. Whether the specific indirect effect is different for the male or the female. So my specific indirect effect is not significant. Suppose if it is significant, then what you can say? Then you can say that your mediation has been moderated. तो आपकी mediation moderate हो गई है. Yeah, you can say that it is a case of moderation mediation. Moderation mediation means when your moderator becomes the reason to affect the indirect effect. Explaining that when your moderator, अब हमारा gender क्या है? Gender इसके ऊपर भी इफेक्ट देख रहे हैं जेंडर का, इसके ऊपर भी, इसके ऊपर. इट मींस जेंडर इज द रीजन व्हाई दिस mediation is moderated. It means your indirect effect, if for the significant different for the two groups, then you can say that your moderation is mediated. So these are quite difficult terms to understand. So I will say I use the word conditional effect rather than using this moderation, mediation, moderation. So in this way, you can also compare your mediation model between the two groups or the three groups. Okay, can we move forward? So can we move forward, ma'am, or any query here?
Yeah, any doubt to anyone? You can ask. Sir, I have a doubt. What we have done right now, abhi just isse pehle, is it the case of moderated mediation? I mean, first we have run the simple mediation and then फिर पूरे model पे specific indirect effect.
This is the case of moderation mediation, मेरे हिसाब से.
Yeah.
Because these are quite confusing terms. Moderation mediation is, you will find in the most of the papers, But mediation moderation is conceptually, I can explain you what is the mediation moderation. But according to Professor Hayes, there is no, meaning to run the mid-mod model. I will do one more exercise with you on this model. So this is the with the categorical moderator. Okay. Suppose, Robin ma'am, you have asked this question.
No, sir. Pooja this side.
Pooja ma'am, hope it is clear to you where we have to check the indirect effect whether it is
Yes,
significant.
this is clear. Yeah. This I
So
got, sir.
this is now, अगर हम इसको स्टोरी को एक्सप्लेन करें, समझने की कोशिश करें ये क्या हुआ है. हमारी मीडिएशन एक वेरिएबल की वजह से इफेक्ट हो गई है. मतलब इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट अगर हमारा सिग्निफिकेंट आ जाता मेल और फीमेल के लिए, तो हम क्या बोल सकते थे कि moderated has effect on the whole of the model. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yes.
This means
Sir,
moderator affects the mediation.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
That's why I'm not using this word moderation of the mediation of moderation, because there are the 93 model in the process macro. When you run this different model, then you will find, then you will say that this can be moderated mediation or mediation moderation. But I will discuss one or two model with you. Okay.
सर ये मतलब अंडरस्टैंडिंग मेरी करेक्ट है. व्हाट आई एम परसीविंग इट इज कि मीडिएशन तो है लेकिन वो मॉडरेटेड है.
यस, बट आप जब लिखोगे इसको तो ऐसे लिखोगे मॉडरेटेड मीडिएशन.
हाँ जी, मॉडरेटेड.
हाँ, मीडिएशन तो आपकी है 100% आपने बोला, पर वो डिपेंड करती है किसके ऊपर, आपके. हाँ, मॉडरेट इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं हम.
हाँ जी, स्पेसिफिक इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट.
हाँ, जो आपका स्पेसिफिक इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट है, क्या वो दो मॉडल के लिए सेम है. पर आपको इसमें वो सारा इनवेरिएंस चेक करना होगा. हाँ, अगर आप ऐसा मॉडल रन करते हो.
हाँ जी. गॉट यू सर, गॉट यू. थैंक यू
पूजा मैम. सो इसमें हम एक और वेरिएशन कर सकते हैं. अब हमको मॉडरेशन मीडिएशन का प्रॉपर मॉडल रन करते हैं कोई. सो एक काम करते हैं. अब कहाँ गए इंडिकेटर्स. तो ये हमारे पास लॉयल्टी को भी ले जाते हैं साथ में. लॉयल्टी तो एक और चीज आपको इंटरेस्टिंग करके दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ पे शायद इसको नाम दे दो. सो अब मैं केस डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे मॉडरेटेड मीडिएशन का. सेम ही केस है बट अब ये कैटेगरिकल कॉन्टिन्यूस वेरिएबल के साथ है. दिस इज माय लॉयल्टी वेरिएबल. व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, आई हैव टू क्लिक हियर. Why it is not creating moderated variable here? Okay, कहता है पहले रन करो, कहते सभी को पहले कलर बनाओ. पहले ये कलर पे बहुत काम करता है पीएल. कहता है अगर मैं ब्लू हूँगा तो ही काम करूँगा, अदरवाइज नहीं करूँगा. सो इसको हमने गलती बना दिया. ऐसे बना सकते हैं हम इसको. अब हमने प्लॉट करना है यहाँ पे मॉडरेटेड एड मॉडरेटिंग ऑन सेटिस्फेक्शन. हमारा मॉडरेटर है. एक मिनट, कुछ गलती हो रही है. लेट मी चेक क्या मिस्टेक हो रही है. ओके, एड मॉडरेटेड. तो मेरा पहला वेरिएबल है मॉडरेटेड, मेरा है लॉयल्टी और किसके ऊपर है, क्वालिटी के ऊपर है. ओके, मैंने इसको, अब ये मेरा अगर टेक्निकली देखा जाए क्या है, क्या लॉयल्टी का इस रिलेशनशिप के ऊपर इन्फ्लुएंस है कि नहीं है. इट मीन्स व्हाट आई हैव डन टेक्निकली, व्हाट आई हैव डन this कि whether loyalty has interaction effect on this relationship quality and satisfaction? Hope you got what I have cleared. It interactions mean whether loyalty has effect on this relationship quality and the satisfaction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have plotted this thing. Okay. So what you have to run? You have to run the simple PLS algorithm, and what you have to check और फिर कैलकुलेट आपने बूटस्ट्रैप भी कर दीजिए और आपने सब कुछ कर दिया है। अभी मैंने इसको नीचे ले आया हूँ। अब एक चीज़ समझते हैं, वन थिंग मोर। अब ये मैंने क्या किया, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मॉडल्स थे, तो ये प्रोसेस मैक्रो के मॉडल्स हैं, तो दीज आर द ग्रेट सोर्सेज। पर बेसिकली मैं तो एचआर और ओबी में यही पढ़ाता हूँ कि अगर जितने भी अच्छे मॉडल कर लो, आपके पेपर उतने अच्छे, देयर पॉसिबिलिटी यू विल गेट गुड पब्लिकेशंस। तो इसमें इफ वी आर लुकिंग मॉडल नंबर 3, मॉडल नंबर 4, मॉडल नंबर 5, 6 मीडिएटर हाल में हमने कर लिया था। So technically we done this thing. हमने क्या किया? What we want to test? We want to test the mediation between X to Y is subject on this interaction, or you can say that whether Y is contingent. It means when the level of this variable will be the low, then the indirect effect will be the different. When the level of this variable will be the high, then indirect effect will be the different. So it means if with the changing of the level, our mediation is affected. With the changing of the level, it means first of all we check there is the influence, whether the influence of this variable on this path relationship. Then we will check whether the influence is such a manner they affect our indirect effect. Okay. So first of all, we check whether this variable is significant, whether this variable is a significant moderator. Then we check with the changing level whether our indirect effect is disturbed. If our indirect effect is different, when the level of this moderator is the different, then, and on the other case, when the level of this moderator is changing and our indirect effect is changing, so it means you can say that our moderator has mediated our relationship. Still, any doubt you have, please point out here. Otherwise, it will be difficult to understand the concept. It's a quite bit tricky concept.
Sir, Pooja this side again.
Anji Pooja ma'am, thank you.
Sir, the similar thing I had also reported once in my paper, and this was only the model number 7, and I had used the word moderated mediation only. But
Yes.
to my surprise, the reviewer had said that your justification of the model and the answer to the model is correct. The way you have discussed the findings, this is also correct, but do not use the word mediated moderation. I could not understand why. But
So that's why I'm saying I use the word conditional analysis or conditional effect.
okay.
Not that's why, because it's a quite confusing terms. Same things you are explaining in the different manner, you will confuse. Even I also confuse sometime now. What is the moderation mediation?
Yeah.
What is the mediation moderation?
Okay.
So I prefer to use the conditional effect analysis. Use
Right.
the conditional. So if you use the book of professor here, now you use the conditional analysis rather than using moderation mediation model.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Same thing I have done here. Okay. So we have the results. We have to check the bootstrapping, and in the bootstrapping we check the okay, but first of all see the path coefficient, and this is okay, nice, very nice. This is a path coefficient. No, this is a t value. Okay, calculate PLS algorithm. Okay. So our interaction effect has no effect here. And then we have to check whether this path, satisfaction to this path is significant or not. Okay, so this path should be significant, this path should be significant. Okay, so if this path is significant and this path is significant, you have the evidence that your model is moderated mediation. Further, Professor Sool Manish, what they claimed that you should have to check the specific indirect effect. Specific indirect effect. Okay, if your model is going, this is specific indirect effect. If it is significant, then you can say that your model is the moderated mediation. So Pooja ma'am, kindly correct me if I'm the wrong, or if you can also put your experience here, because such types of the models are very rare, run.
No, sir, I think we are going really very right way. And, this is how it has to be interpreted.
Okay. So this is the way you test the moderation mediation, and this is the way how you will conduct the moderation mediation. So you can use the word conditional process. I have an idea, because while you're sending the paper, just understand the list of the reviewer and list of the editors. What are their reviewers and what are their search work. Generally, most of we send the paper to the journals which are quite familiar with these techniques, moderation, mediations. Okay, so but on the higher side, so when your paper sending to the A star category or A category, then you will see that technique is no important. Even sometimes the people prefer covariance based SAM. They're not still accepted this variance based SAM for the analysis purpose. On the higher side, you will find a very less papers on smart PLS, or you can say. So generally, I'm not saying that it's not a viable technique, but opinion is different, or you can say that different. There is a one journal, Leadership Quarterly, A star category. So they give all of you a rejection within the 10 minutes when you will use this smart PLS technique. So you should have to understand first of all what is journal expected and what is the guidelines of the journals. So what are their review boards, what are their reviewers, what are their editors. So these things are also important. Okay. So one thing I would also share with you, this is all about the moderation and mediation. One thing I would also share with you, close here. So okay, no need to save it. Okay, I can removing this model. Hope, because my final model. Okay, no, this is then no problem. We can. This is that on the demo file. I feel it is my personal model something. Okay, now one thing more. ये मैंने कल ट्राई की थी एक और. So I plot the moderated here also. ये तो चलो, तो you can also plot the moderated here. Okay, then you should have to check the conditional effect. What are these? अगर हम इसको show the indicator of construct. So ये सोशल कमर्स और FC, सोशल कमर्स कंस्ट्रक्ट के ऊपर FC ये मॉडरेटेड एक ये है. तो अगर आपने टू मॉडरेटेड भी प्लॉट कर लिए, देन यू हैव टू सी द स्पेसिफिक इनडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट. ओके, सो वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू share with you. MDP. So when you are testing any scale, by this way you can testing the invariance, because smart PL is not working on the one construct. They are always working on more than two construct. Okay, suppose these are the dimensions of your scale. You want to test the invariance, so you have use any other variable with that, or minimum 2 dimension you can work on the smart PLS, and you can run this model. You can check the invariance. Similarly process, you have to go to the permutation and check the. Now you're not testing the paths, you're testing only the cross culture variations or cross culture invariances. So simply you can run here. So this is most useful in the, if when you are working this with model on the covariance based SEM, but there is also option here. You can check the auto loadings, each and everything. So this is all about your moderation mediation, how the moderation is mediated. One thing, soft hello, is there any problem? Okay, so this is the way how you run the moderation mediations. Okay, so collectively what it called when you are plotting categorical moderated, what it called, it is called observed heterogeneity. What it's called? Observed heterogeneity. The word I'm using when you have the no, okay, gender will distinguish the model. The gender will have the effect on the model. Then it is called observed heterogeneity. What it's called? Observed heterogeneity. Okay. So you're in your model there should be a observed heterogeneity and there should be no unobserved heterogeneity. So have you listened this about unobserved heterogeneity?
No, sir, not exactly.
Okay. Now please do the practice for the 5 or 10 minutes on this model for invariance testing. Then we will move forward. Okay. Is it okay, Robin ma'am? Can you do the
Yes, sir.
practice?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
we do.
I will take little bit more matter.
Sir, Pooja this side.
हाँ जी पूजा मैम.
सर एक ऐसे रैंडम डाउट आया, आई डोंट नो कितना करेक्ट है. फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज एन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डाइट ऑन अ वेट लॉस,
हाँ जी.
right? And this relationship is moderated by an interaction effect of exercise. Diet, weight loss, exercise का interaction effect.
हाँ जी मैम.
ठीक है. तो सर अब ये जो इंटरेक्शन इफेक्ट लगाया एक्सरसाइज का, इसके ऊपर एज की मॉडरेशन लग सकती है?
हाँ जी मैम. आपको मैंने मॉडल्स की शायद वो शेयर की है, 93 मॉडल्स है. तो हेज ने ना इतने बड़ा स्कोप दे रखा है हमें कि भाई देखो हम सोचते हैं ना कि रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम होनी क्या चाहिए, उसने तो मॉडल बना के दे दी कि ऐसी भी हो सकती है. अगर रिवर्स सोचो आप, हम क्या सोचते हैं कि रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर से मॉडल आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं. एक बार टेक्निकली सोचो कि हमारे पास क्या पड़ा है. मतलब 7 नंबर मॉडल आप ले लीजिए जो मैं किया ना आपके साथ.
हाँ जी.
क्या है उसमें, क्या देखिए ना उसने पहले से कि यार देखो कितना जबरदस्त चीज दे रखी है कि अगर आपका जो मॉडल है तो अगर एक रिलेशनशिप मॉडरेट हो रहा है तो वो टोटल इंडायरेक्ट इफेक्ट को असर डाल रहा है ना. तो अगर यू आर मेकिंग सच अ सर्च प्रॉब्लम, ओके, तो दैट आर द ग्रेट सोर्स. अगर आप पब्लिकेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रहे हो ना, there is a good contribution also if you see. So
Okay.
मेरे हिसाब से कि आप थोड़ा सा उस एंगल से भी मतलब मैं तो थोड़ा ऐसे कर लेता हूँ स्टडी कि इस एंगल से भी देखो कि अगर पेपर पब्लिश करना है तो ऐसा कोई मॉडल बन सकता है या कैसे बनेगा,
Okay.
7
Okay.
नंबर या 8 नंबर।
Okay. 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 Okay.
सर जो मॉडरेशन इफेक्ट है वो राइट क्लिक करके एक्टिवेट होता है ना, राइट क्लिक से आ नहीं रहा मेरा, आई डोंट नो व्हाई क्वाड्रेटिक इज एक्टिवेटेड बट नॉट द मॉडरेटेड वन।
आपने वो सारे एरो सर्कल कलेक्ट कर रखे हैं?
हाँ जी सर, आई हैव डन इट।
दिस नॉट सीम्स पॉसिबल, देखते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। मान लीजिए ऐसा आपका मॉडल है, अब यार यहाँ पर राइट क्लिक कर देते हैं तो ऐड मॉडरेटिंग इफेक्ट आ रहा है मेरा तो यहाँ
किस पे क्लिक सर, एक मिनट दोबारा करना, कहाँ पर रखा आपने कर्सर?
डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल पे आप क्लिक।
ओके ओके, राइट। नहीं सर, इवन देन इट्स नॉट कमिंग, इवन देन इट्स नॉट कमिंग सर। एक मिनट देखती हूँ मैं दोबारा से। राइट, ठीक है सर, ठीक है, हो गया।
थैंक यू। My screen is visible to all of you, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
sir.
It's visible.
Okay. One thing I would also share with all of you, एक मैंने मॉडरेशन पे भी पेपर लिखा था, मतलब ये पेपर मुझे बहुत पसंद है मेरा। Passive leadership style and perceived procrastination in leaders, a PLSM approach. So simply the paper is about the moderation of a continuous variable. So I will also share this. We understand because why this paper is special, because most of the time if some of them you are from the HR or OP, we are discussing about the positive side of the leadership, but this is a paper in which we are discussing about the negative side of the leadership. So this is why this paper is a little bit is important, because negative side of the leadership is very, you cannot find good paper on negative side of the leadership. So we plot this why management exception passive leadership has effect on perceived procrastination, and that is moderated by laissez-faire style also. So we make this model, and this is my sample criteria. So this is, I use the interaction term here. So how I plot this interaction terms. So this is my simple model, and this is my interaction terms I have plotted. So this can also use. Should we move further, ma'am?
Sir, I think we can give 5 minutes more for the practice.
Okay.
Sir, once we have added the moderation effect, then we went to a permutation, na?
No. When you are working with a categorical
Yes, sir.
moderator,
No.
then
The
when
other
you
one.
when you are interaction, then
Okay.
in the interaction, when you are using interaction term, there is no need to check the invariance, na?
Got it. Yes,
Or
that
when
is
you are
what.
using categorical moderator, then you check to test invariance. My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir, visible.
So you can also plot moderator here also. This will also affect your mediation. So generally idea is that you should have the complete knowledge about the process macro and all these models, how to report. And most obviously, Professor Hayes की book है moderation and mediation effect and conditional effect. So उसकी एक अच्छी understanding होनी चाहिए. Then you will work on the higher model, like model number 7, model number 13 or 15. So these are the some paper available, moderation of mediation, motivational.
सर ये प्रोफेसर हेज की बुक फ्रीली है अवेलेबल
हाँ,
डाउनलोडेबल?
.pdf नेट है, एक
हाँ
पीडीएफ
जी,
नेट ड्राइव है, वहां पे अपना
हाँ जी,
600
ठीक,
पेज की बुक है ये, बहुत ही मतलब इसकी लैंग्वेज भी बड़ी टफ है, बहुत
ओके।
डिफिकल्ट है अंडरस्टैंड, बट समझ जाता है बंदा थोड़े टाइम के बाद। तो, मतलब
सर कैन आई शेयर माय स्क्रीन? एक डाउट पूछना था.
Yes, Barman.
लाइक सर ये मॉडल बनाया आपके वाले मैंने, सेटिस्फेक्शन को लेके मैंने मॉडरेशन लगाया लॉयल्टी के ऊपर, राइट? तो सर जब मैं इसकी बूटस्ट्रैप में वैल्यू चेक कर रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब देखो जो मेरी पी वैल्यूज है, अदरवाइज जो मीडिएशन है दैट इज सिग्निफिकेंट बट मॉडरेशन सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है. इसको इस तरह से इंटरप्रेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
हाँ जी, तो कोई नहीं है, आपका नहीं है सिग्निफिकेंट. तो
नहीं सर, मैं वही आई एम जस्ट कंफर्मिंग दैट दिस वी वांट टू से हियर दैट मीडिएशन जो है दैट इज सिग्निफिकेंट बट मॉडरेशन इज नॉट.
let me see your model, ma'am. Would you show your model? Okay, लॉयल्टी पे आपने डाला है मॉडरेटिंग सेटिस्फेक्शन. तो ये तो आपका अच्छा सेटिस्फेक्शन और लॉयल्टी के ऊपर आपने मॉडरेटेड प्लॉट किया है. Am I
हाँ
right?
जी हाँ जी हाँ जी.
हाँ.
क्वालिटी लीड्स टू सेटिस्फेक्शन, सेटिस्फेक्शन लीड्स टू लॉयल्टी.
इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि अगर ये मॉडरेटेड सिग्निफिकेंट होता
हाँ
तो ये
जी
मीडिएट भी सिग्निफिकेंट होती है ना.
हाँ जी
मीडिएट.
हाँ जी
तो इसका मतलब उसका जब लेवल लो है तो अलग से इंटरेक्ट इफेक्ट जाता. तो दैट इज आल्सो केस ऑफ मॉडरेशन मीडिएशन, आई थिंक.
हाँ जी यही. यस सर राइट.
थैंक यू. So can I show something? Can we move forward?
Yes, sir, I think we can.
So screen hash 1. So one thing I would also share, this is the what we have done, all the work we have done from the software smart PLR's developers point of view. If our reflective model is that, we can also use some another approach to test the model. First of all, you should have to calculate the consistent PLS algorithm. Okay, I'm just running this for the model. Okay, then you have to check, click on model, then you have to calculate the bootstrapping, and you have to test the complete bootstrapping here, not the basic bootstrapping. Why I'm explaining this, I just clear that why I'm explaining this. I just run this. Okay, so there are the two school of thought are here. First school of thought is that there is no need to test the model fit, but some of the researcher has point out that without the model fit, we not accept this is a structural conditioning modeling. So Professor Hansler then gave one solution that you should have to check the full bootstrapping. Suppose you are checking the SRMR value. Okay, then you should have to check whether these values lies between these intervals. Whether these values lies between these intervals. If the values are also lies, let me check this one thing. If the values are lies between these intervals, then you can claim that there is your model is good fit and there is nothing wrong into your model, but your value should be in the appropriate limit. Like SRMR value, that should be less than 0.08. Okay. Robin, my screen is visible?
Yes sir, it's visible.
Okay, so this way you can also test your model, because when you read the paper of Professor Hansler, they give this thing, full bootstrap results for everything. So for each and everything, there is a bootstrap result for the confidence interval. You will use the confidence interval for each and everything, for the R square, for the F square. When you read the paper of Professor Hansler, then you will use this types of the methodology, and the software is Adenco. So
Robin, ma'am.
हाँ जी मैम.
Ma'am, you had raised one query that day regarding SRMR value not coming, assumptions fulfilling. Could you please ask the query to sir also? I think we can have more.
Yes. Sandeep sir, I was working on some data and there were total 7 to 8 constructs in that, right?
Okay.
Including the endogenous and exogenous. So
Okay.
when I run the model, in that case, my SRMR value and NFY value, they are fulfilling the condition. Both of them are fulfilling the condition. But in 3 construct, the value of AVE was less than 0.5. So definitely I have to delete certain items in order to improve it. So I did that. So when I did, then the AVE got more than 0.5, but the other condition of SRMR and NFI, they were not satisfied. So it was contradictory in this case, that what is more important? Is it that we should work on the AVE
If
first
you, whether
on
you're
or
working on Smart PLS or any other software?
yes, or on this only, on Smart PLS only, in
Smart
this.
PLS, they are not give weightage to this model fit criterias.
Okay.
They don't think so. Basically, we use the model fit when we have to compare the models.
So it
Okay.
means that reliability is more important, that we have to see about the composite and, you know?
Yes, develop. You should have to. You can't say that your AB is less than 0.50 because that is the major issue. This SRMR is not a bigger issue here.
Okay,
Further, I
sir.
can give you one suggestion. There is a one tool MVN शायद MVN करके है, तो you can check there multiple outliers there.
सर वो भी किए थे चेक, और आउटलायर्स भी चेक कर लिए थे कि कोई भी किसी कंस्ट्रक्ट में ना हो, बट देयर वाज नो आउटलायर आल्सो.
That is not Robin मैम. When अब जब ना होते हैं कि हमने चेक कर रहे हैं multiple, हम 90%, 99, 95% हम नॉन नॉर्मल पे डाटा पे ही काम करते हैं. तो वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर है, उसमें ना MVN नाम है उसका, आर्क बेस्ड है. तो उसमें क्या होता है, वो आपको ना शो करता है कि ये आपकी सिग्निफिकेंट आउटलायर है, महानुभाव डिस्टेंस निकाल के दे देता है वो.
अच्छा, ओके.
तो आप उसमें से ना कोई 20 या 25 को रिमूव कर देना, आपकी SRMR वैल्यू अच्छी आ जाएगी.
सर प्लीज रिपीट इट, क्या करना है? 20
उसमें
टू
से ना
20.
आउटलायर्स आप रिमूव कर दीजिए 5% या 10%.
ओके.
फिर मॉडल रन करके देखना, SRMR ऑटोमेटिकली इंप्रूव हो जाएगी. देखो, जो हमारी रिग्रेशन के दोनों ही दुश्मन हैं, एक पहला जो एनिमी है सबसे बड़ा मल्टीपलिनैरिटी है और आउटलायर्स हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
हर चीज को इसी एंगल से देखो कि आउटलायर तो नहीं है इसमें. ठीक,
ठीक
तो
है.
आप उस एंगल से कर सकते हैं. सो रॉबिन मैम, शुड वी स्टॉप हियर और वी विल डू फिमिक्स टुमारो?
सर as you wish.
Okay, because I'm a little not well today. So
Okay. No issue, sir. We can continue tomorrow at
if you
1.
have any queries, then you can ask me. We have the 5 to 10 minutes. I can take more. So if anybody has query, otherwise.
सर एक जो हमारी आउटर लोडिंग होती है रिफ्लेक्टिव मॉडल में, क्या कभी किसी वेरिएबल की वो भी 1 से ज्यादा आ सकती है?
Yes, आ सकती है.
Anyway,
वो हेवुड केस नहीं बोलते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलते इसमें कुछ
पता नहीं
कोवेरियंस.
सर, ये भी मैं एक मॉडल पे रन कर रही थी, उसमें एक वेरिएबल की 1.0
क्या करते हैं ना जनरली ना, मतलब मैं ना इन डेवलपर्स के ना व्यूज के साथ थोड़ा एग्री नहीं करता. जब हम PLS लगाते हैं ना, मुझे लगता है जो PLS कंसिस्टेंट है ना, उसके रिजल्ट बेटर होते हैं. क्योंकि उसमें जो ना एरर टर्म की कोरिलेटेड होती है उसमें एरर टर्म्स ना, तो यहाँ पे तो एरर टर्म्स होती नहीं है इसमें स्मार्ट
नहीं
PLS.
सर, मैंने जब PLS में लगाया तो फैक्टर लोडिंग अलग थी, और जब कंसिस्टेंट पे लगाया तो फैक्टर लोडिंग जो थी दैट वाज डिफरेंट. तो आई गॉट कंफ्यूज कि दोनों में से किस पे लगाऊं, एंड इन वन इट वाज मोर देन 1.0. सर इसका मतलब क्या है? लाइक नॉर्मली वी से दैट फैक्टर लोडिंग शुड बी मोर देन 0.7 एंड लेस देन 1. सो इफ इट इज मोर देन 1, देन व्हाट इट प्रेडिक्ट्स?
जो मुझे लगता है बेसिकली अगर मोर देन 1 आ रही है तो ये बात है कि वो सही तरह से मेजर नहीं हुई, उसको जो भी रिस्पोंडेंट ने इस पे रिस्पॉन्स दे रखे हैं ना, तो आप उसको इनवेरियंस में भी चेक करके देखना एक बार.
Okay, sir, that I can do, which we have learned today, that we can check it.
मिल जाएगा उसका रीजन, उसका कि क्या रीजन है. और
ठीक है
जैसे ना कंसिस्टेंट PLS का मतलब होता है कि जो इफेक्ट ऑफ आउटलायर होता है ना, वो कम कर देता है कंसिस्टेंट PLS. इसीलिए चाहे आपके थोड़े कंस्ट्रक्ट आ रहे हैं, चाहे बहुत सारी आइटम रिमूव हो रही है, पर वो क्या आ रही है, जो भी आ रही है वो आपकी सही आ रही है, और आपका R स्क्वायर बहुत अच्छा आएगा कंसिस्टेंट PLS के.
हाँ जी. ठीक है सर, थैंक यू।
So I think there is no query. So that's all from my side.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I think we don't have any query, and you have, I think, excellently handled all the queries today and made us clear the very important aspects relating to moderation, interaction effect, and multigroup analysis and invariance analysis, which was, I think, a new term for all of us. So we are really thankful to you, sir. We look forward to learn a lot again tomorrow from you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Ji. Have a
Thank
good day
you.
to all of
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, Ji. Pleasure, pleasure.